The first step is to find the stud. We have a little stud finder here, and Jacob's finding it. So there we go. There's our stud.
Go.
So to get this to line up to where it's level and the bolts line up with the studs that are in the wall, we usually take a level and put it right underneath one of the here, and then when that's level there, and this is lined up with a 2x4, this will automatically line up with your next 2x4 because it's 16 on center. So it's a really simple install, and we'll show you the steps right now. So once we found the stud, we will line this first hole up with the stud. Then we'll take our level and put it under one of these letterings, okay? So if you make this level and this is lined up with the stud on the left, these two will naturally line up with the stud on the right, and then it'll be nice and level. Pretty simple. Okay. So this shows you how the bolt goes through. You have the bolt, the small stainless steel washer, the spacer, and the large stainless steel washer. The large stainless steel washer goes up against the drywall, and the spacer obviously gives you the space off the wall. It's pretty simple. Again, these get pre-drilled. You don't have to. I would pre-drill it into your stud. If you mark the stud, it makes the installation go a lot easier.